Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll solve a few miscellaneous problems on the topic blood relation. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Pointing to Venu, Madhav said, I am the only son of one of the sons of his father. How is Venu related to Madhav? You're given four options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you're asked to find how Venu is related to Madhav. To do that, first you have to draw a family tree for the relations given in the question. Now observe that here Madhav said, I am the only son. So here I refers to Madhav. I am the only son of one of the sons of his father. So his is the one being pointed to by Madhav. So his here refers to Venu. So for this problem, we'll start drawing the family tree from Venu. So after Venu is the relation father. So Venu has a father. So let's draw the family tree starting with Venu. Now Venu has a father. Father is a male. So we'll draw a square here. Now before the word his is the relation one of the sons. Now you have to remember that you have to always start from the point where you left off in the family tree earlier. So here you had stopped at this point, Venu's father. So start from this point. Now it's given one of the sons. So Venu's father has could have another son other than Venu. So there are two possibilities here now. Venu's father could have one son who is Venu, or Venu's father could have another son who would be Venu's brother. So brother is a male, so draw a square here. And minus sign between Venu and this person indicates that Venu and this person are siblings. Now the next relation is I am the only son. Here I refers to Madhav. So Madhav is the only son. Now we had stopped at Venu in the first instance. So Madhav is the only son of Venu. So a son is a male, draw a square here. Now Madhav is the last person that we have drawn in the family tree here. Now in the second instance, Madhav is the only son. We had stopped at here Venu's brother, and so we have to continue from this point. Madhav is the only son of this person. So Madhav is a son, a male, so a square here. This indicates that Madhav is the only son of Venu's brother. So in the first instance, Madhav is the son of Venu. In the second instance, Madhav is the son of Venu's brother. So now we are asked to find how Venu is related to Madhav. In the first instance, Madhav is the only son of Venu. This means Venu is the father of Madhav. In the second instance, Madhav is the only son of Venu's brother. So Venu is the uncle of Madhav. So Venu could either be the father of Madhav or the uncle of Madhav. So the correct answer is option C, father or uncle. Pointing to a photograph, a lady tells Praveen, I am the only daughter of this woman and her son is your maternal uncle. How is the speaker related to Praveen's father? Here you are given four options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you are asked to find out how the speaker is related to Praveen's father. To do that, first you have to draw a family tree for the relations given in the question. Now, before you start drawing the family tree, you have to understand a few points. Here it's given, pointing to a photograph, a lady tells Praveen. So here the speaker is the lady, and the lady tells Praveen, I am the only daughter. So here I refers to the lady. So I am the only daughter of this woman. This woman is none other than the woman in the photograph, and her son. Here her refers to the woman in the photograph. So her son is your maternal uncle. Here your refers to Praveen. So now that you have understood all this, start drawing the family tree for these relations. So now the lady tells Praveen, I am the only daughter of this woman. So the woman in the photograph has an only daughter who is none other than the lady. And her son is your maternal uncle. So the woman in the photograph has a son. So the woman in the photograph has a son. Now from this it's clear that the woman in the photograph has a daughter who is the lady, and she has a son. So the lady and this person are siblings. And this person is the brother of the lady. Now this person can be Praveen's maternal uncle only if Praveen is the son of the lady. So Praveen is the son of the lady, and this lady has a brother who is the maternal uncle of Praveen. Now in the question, we are asked to find how the speaker is related to Praveen's father. Here the speaker is the lady. From this family tree, it's clear that the lady is none other than Praveen's mother. So, this lady is the wife of Praveen's father. So, the correct answer is option B, wife. Read the following information carefully and answer the question that follows. If D is the brother of B, how is B related to C? To answer this question, which of the statements is or are necessary? Statement 1, the son of D is the grandson of C. Statement 2, B is the sister of D. Here you are given four options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you are asked to find how B is related to C and find out uh, to answer this question uh, which of the given statements are necessary. Now it's given that D is the brother of B. So D is the brother of B. D is the brother, a male. So a square for D. The minus sign between B and D indicates that B and D are siblings. But as of now, we do not know the gender of B. From statement 1 says the son of D is the grandson of C. So D has a son. Son is a male, so a square for the son. Now D's son is the grandson of C. Now D's son can be the grandson of C only if D is the son of C. So an arrow, down arrow between C and D indicates that D is the son of C. So now we know that D is the son of C and D's son is the grandson of C. Statement 2 says B is the sister of D. So now we know the gender of B. B is a female because she is the sister of D. So a circle for B. So B is the sister of D and D is the brother of B. Here in the question we are asked to find how B is related to C. From this family tree it's clear that B and D are siblings and D is the son of C. So if D is the son of C, clearly it means that B is the daughter of C. So to answer the question how B is related to C, we require both the statements 1 and 2. So the correct answer is option D, 1 and 2 both are required. How is Radha's mother's daughter-in-law's daughter related to Radha? Here you are given 4 options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. To answer this question, let's draw a family tree for the relations given in the question. So, Radha's mother's mother. Let's represent that in the family tree. So, Radha has a mother and this mother has a mother. Radha's mother's daughter-in-law. So, Radha's mother's mother has a daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law is none other than son's wife. So, this means that Radha's grandmother has a son who has a wife. And this daughter-in-law has a daughter. Daughter-in-law's daughter. So, this daughter-in-law has a daughter. So the relation given in the question is Radha's mother's daughter-in-law's daughter, which we have represented in the family tree here like Radha's mother's daughter-in-law's daughter. Now we are asked to find how this person is related to Radha. From this family tree it's clear that Radha's mother and this woman's uh, father are siblings. These two are siblings. So clearly this woman is Radha's cousin. So the correct answer is option B, cousin. How is my father's mother's only daughter-in-law's daughter's father related to me? Here you are given 4 options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now to answer this question, first let's draw a family tree for the relations given in the question. So the relation given in the question is my father's mother's only daughter-in-law's daughter's father. Let's represent this in the family tree. So my father is this person and my father has a mother and this mother has an only daughter-in-law. That means she has only one son and his son and this son has a wife. So this person is the only daughter-in-law of my grandmother. Now this daughter-in-law's daughter is this person and this person's father is this person. So now we are asked to find out how this person is related to me. From this family tree, it's clear that this person is my father. So the correct answer is option D, father. How is my father's brother's only sibling's mother related to my sister's only brother? Here you are given 4 options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. To answer this question, we have to draw a family tree for the relations given in the question. So here it's given my father's brother's only sibling's mother. Let's represent that in the family tree. So my father's brother has only one sibling, which is obviously my father, and he has a mother. So finally we have reached this person. Now we have to find out how this person is related to my sister's only brother. So my sister is this person and her only brother is obviously me. So now we have to find out how this person is related to me. From this family tree, it's clear that this person is my grandmother. So the correct answer is option D, grandmother. A family has a man, his wife, their four sons, and their wives. The family of every son also has three sons and one daughter. Find out the total number of male members in the family. Here you are given four options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you are asked to find the total number of male members in the family. Now it's given that a family has a man and his wife. So in that generation, there's only one male, the man. So one male. And the man and his wife have four sons and their wives. So in the next generation, there are four sons, that is four males. The family of every son also has three sons and one daughter. But since we are asked to find the total number of male members, we'll consider only the sons. So each son has three sons. So in this generation, there are 12 males. So in the first generation, there is one male. In the second generation, there are four males. And in the third generation, there are 12 males. So altogether, the total number of male members in the family is 1 plus 4 plus 12, which is 17. So the correct answer is option D, 17. In a joint family, there are father, mother, three married sons, and one unmarried daughter. Of the sons, two have two daughters each, and one has a son. How many female members are there in the family? You are given four options here, and you'll find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you're asked to find how many female members are there in the family. So in the family, there is a father and a mother. So in this generation, there is only one female, that's the mother. And this father and mother has three married sons and one unmarried daughter. Three married sons means there are three daughters-in-law also. So in this generation, there are three daughters-in-law and one unmarried daughter. So altogether, there are four females in this generation. Now, two of these sons have two daughters each, and one son has um, only one son. So, since we are asked to find how many female members are there in the family, we'll consider only the daughters here. So, in this generation, there are four females. So in the first generation, there is one female. In the second generation, there are four females. And in the third generation, there are four females. So the total number of female members in the family is 1 plus 4, which is 9. So the correct answer is option D, 9. A party consisted of a man, his wife, his three sons and their wives, and three children in each son's family. How many were there in the party? You are given four options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So we are asked to find how many were there in the party. So total number of people in the party. Now it's given the party consisted of a man and his wife. So in this generation there are two people. And this man and his wife have three sons and their wives. So three sons and their wives means there are six persons in this generation. And each son's family has three children and three children. So in this generation there are nine people. So altogether there are two persons in the first generation, six persons in the second generation, and nine persons in the third generation. So the total number of members in the party is 2 plus 6 plus 9, which is 17. So the correct answer is option D, 17. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Practice more such problems to increase your speed and also to be perfect with the concept. Please do watch our videos on the topic directions. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.